If you are encountering the H98 error on your Panasonic microwave, this video will guide you through several troubleshooting steps to help you identify and potentially resolve the issue. First, try a hard reset. Unplug your microwave from the wall outlet and wait at least 5 to 10 minutes to allow residual power to discharge. Plug it back in, ensure the outlet is working, and check if the error persists. Next, verify your power supply. Ensure the unit is plugged directly into a dedicated wall outlet without extension cords or power strips, as these can cause voltage drops. Also, check your circuit breaker and inspect the power cord for damage. The H98 error may be related to the door latch. Open and close the door firmly to ensure it engages properly, and check for any debris or physical damage that might be preventing the safety switches from activating. Check your ventilation paths. Overheating can trigger safety shutdowns. Ensure there is enough clearance around the microwave for air circulation, and keep the air vents clean of dust and grease buildup. The H98 error often indicates a failure in the inverter circuit or magnetron. These are complex, high-voltage components that should only be serviced by qualified professionals. Do not attempt to open the casing or repair these parts yourself. For further assistance, visit the official Panasonic support website with your model number to review warranty coverage and locate authorized service centers. Always prioritize safety when performing any maintenance on your appliance.